The best electric ukuleles of 2023. Strum with power. Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. It's time to dive into the electrifying world of ukuleles like you've never seen before. Today, we're about to uncover the absolute best electric ukuleles that are taking the music scene by storm in 2023. Please head over to the description to know more about it and the latest pricing. EASTROCK Tenor. The EASTROCK Tenor Ukelele Sapele is a perfect combination of technology and craftsmanship, designed to enhance your playing experience. With its high-gloss finish and 9-cycle grinding and polishing processes, the Sapele wood grain of this ukulele exudes simple elegance. The arched back ensures longer sustain and produces fuller, warmer, and deeper woody tones, creating a pleasurable listening experience. The Aquila strings not only feel soft and smooth to the touch, but also produce clear and sweet sounds that hold tune through multiple plays. This 15-in-1 set includes everything you need, from a padded backpack gig bag and picks to a digital tuner and a capo. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, the EASTROCK Tenor Ukelele Sapele is a great gift for any music lover. Lotkey. Introducing the Lotkey 23-inch electric ukulele, a comprehensive set perfect for both practice and performance. This concert ukulele features exquisite craftsmanship with a solid wood neck and walnut fingerboard and bridge. The Akume body and Italian nylon strings make it popular among musicians. With the included strap, replacement strings, digital tuner, and 3 picks, you have everything you need to start playing right away. Whether you're practicing at home or performing live, this ukulele is versatile and suitable for all occasions. Plus, it's a great way to save money on expensive courses, allowing you to provide your children with the opportunity to learn and cultivate their interest in music. Experience the joy of playing the Lotkey electric ukulele today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, the Lotkey silent ukulele offers versatility and convenience for your musical journey. Perfect for quiet practice sessions or electrifying performances, the Lotkey silent ukulele combines quality craftsmanship and modern features to enhance your playing experience. Elevate your musical creativity with this exceptional instrument that effortlessly marries tradition and innovation. LONABR. When you opt for our concert ukulele, you're not acquiring just an instrument, you're gaining an entire musical package. The comprehensive set includes a carrying bag, tuner, shoulder strap, capo, 3 picks, an extra string set, a cable, and a cleaning cloth. This thoughtful inclusion eliminates the need for additional purchases and provides unparalleled convenience. Crafted with precision, the ukulele features a smooth surface and rounded edges, ensuring a comfortable and luxurious feel during your playing sessions. The soft carbon nylon strings add to the overall comfort, offering a seamless interaction that won't leave your fingers scratched or sore. The choice of solid mahogany contributes to a distinctive tonal quality that's brighter, richer, and warmer, creating an enchanting auditory experience for players and listeners alike. The fingerboard of the concert ukulele boasts a total of 18 frets, each contributing to a diverse range of tones. To aid beginners in finding their footing, the 5th, 7th, 10th, 12th, and 15th frets are conveniently marked. With its exceptional tonal qualities, comfortable design, all-inclusive accessories, and portability, it's a masterpiece that's perfect for musicians at any stage of their journey. Give it to a loved one or indulge in its melodies yourself. Either way, you're embracing musical excellence. Pyle PUKTEA22. Pyle's 23-inch acoustic electric ukulele set includes a complete set of accessories like a detachable strap, celluloid picks, gig bag, a cleaning cloth, and an extra set of strings. It features a solid mahogany top and plywood back, and sides with a natural matte finish, providing a beveled armrest and 2 end pins. The die-cast machine head tuner pegs are highly sensitive and hold string tension, preventing strings from shifting out of tune. It's a tenor ukulele that suits both beginners and advanced players. Featuring acoustic electric capabilities, this ukulele can be plugged into an amplifier or sound system for amplified performances. Its user-friendly design makes it a great choice for those who are just starting their musical journey, as well as experienced musicians seeking a high-quality instrument. With the Pyle PUKTEA22 acoustic electric ukulele, you'll enjoy a harmonious blend of craftsmanship, accessories, and versatility, all in one package. Elevate your musical experience and unleash your creativity with this exceptional instrument. Cordoba 15TM CE. Introducing the Cordoba 15TM CE Tenor Ukulele, a harmonious blend of craftsmanship and innovation. This acoustic electric cutaway uke boasts a handcrafted design featuring a mahogany top, back, and sides that deliver warm, resonant tones with exceptional clarity. The ukulele's authentic abalone rosette adds a touch of elegance to its appearance, while the satin edge burst finish enhances its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with premium Italian Aquila strings, the 15TM CE produces a rich and balanced sound, making it suitable for various musical genres. The added acoustic electric capabilities and cutaway design provide easy access to higher frets, allowing for versatile playing styles and amplified performances. This ukulele is ideal for beginners and experienced players, offering a superior playing experience with attention to detail and quality construction. Experience the excellence of Cordoba craftsmanship and indulge in the beauty of the 15TM CE Tenor Ukulele. Whether for personal enjoyment or professional performances, this ukulele embodies the perfect blend of tradition and modernity, promising a rewarding musical journey. Flight Pioneer. Unleash your musical prowess with the Flight Pioneer electric ukulele. This cherry red masterpiece boasts a tenor body shape that's impossible to ignore. Crafted with precision, it features a mahogany top and solid body, the perfect recipe for a rich and resonant tone that's guaranteed to captivate your audience. Don't just play, make a statement on any stage with its captivating cherry red finish. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning your musical journey, the Flight Pioneer ukulele offers a seamless playing experience that lets your creativity shine. And the best part? Its compact size and lightweight design ensure you can play comfortably for hours. Explore a world of sonic possibilities with its carefully designed electronics, complete with volume and tone controls. And when you're ready to share your music with the world, its 1/4-inch output jack makes connecting to amplifiers or sound systems a breeze. Elevate your performances and make your mark with the Pioneer Electric Ukulele.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.